How to reset Fantasy Premier League password. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Now to begin with, you need to tap open your Premier League application in your device. Make sure your application is up to date and you are logged into your Premium League account. To change your password, it is pretty simple. At the bottom of your application, tap on the More button or the three-dot icon. In the settings, you need to head over to Manage Account. On the personal details, you need to scroll down until you find Account Security. Tap on Account Security. At the top, you will see this option of Update Password. Just click on it. After which, you'll be able to change your password. Firstly, just enter your old password. While typing your new password, make sure it is at least of 8 characters, contains both upper and lower case, contains at least of one number and one special character. After which, you can just tap on Update Password to reset your password for Premier League. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.